The elusive Bronco Ken has been spotted in the wild. Rarely travelling alone, Bronco Kens are highly social creatures, often gathering near difficult obstacles where they can safely observe the activities of others, although seldom found behind the steering wheel.
This. Sidewalk. Ah! Ah!
That's parts of here.
Oh, you can even aluminum on the ground. Even aluminum on the ground.
They instinctively provide a steady stream of advice from the safety of solid ground. Today, we've discovered an entire herd. Notice the Bronco Ken's remarkable concern for cosmetic damage. Unlike experienced rock crawlers, Bronco Kens rarely venture onto the most technical terrain. Instead, they prefer spectating, carefully evaluating every decision, much like the Monday morning quarterback.
Now watch now, maybe he'll climb it this time. Yes. Well done.
One of the herd has begun the ceremonial slow clap. Researchers remain uncertain whether this ritual is intended as encouragement or quiet sarcasm. Watch carefully while additional Bronco Kens are now joining the herd. One begins calling directions, then another, then another. Within seconds, the hillside erupts into a chorus of conflicting instructions.
Hard passenger, hard.
Don't worry about the locker. Come on. Don't worry about the locker. That's our experience.
You can't turn it with the locker on. It won't turn with the locker.
Is that a little Bronco?
That's a Bronco too. Right there.
Look forward.
There you go. Stay passenger, stay passenger. Stay passenger.
Hard passenger, turn on the locker. No, turn. Although every Bronco Ken believes that, he alone possesses the perfect line, though none appear willing to demonstrate it.
We're in a tree now. Watch him go through there. Watch the engine side. Over there. It's just, look at all that aluminum. It's unnecessary.
Too much driver there. We need a little passenger.
I just told him, that rock was over fun.
Despite the constant vocalizations, the Jeeper remains remarkably calm. Years of evolution have taught this species to filter out unnecessary noise. Slowly, methodically, the Jeep continues its ascent. Against all expectations, the obstacle has been conquered for one brief, glorious moment. The Bronco Kens fall silent, but nature never rests. Another unsuspecting Jeep approaches the rocks. Almost instantly, the warning calls begin anew. The aluminum, unnecessary. And so, the ancient cycle continues. For wherever Jeeps gather, the Bronco Kens are never very far away. The Bronco Kens have now retreated safely to their natural street queen habitat. Despite widespread concern, the aluminum survived. They now stand ready to conquer the nearest Walmart parking lot. Researchers also confirmed that during the filming of this documentary, no sidewalls, no wheels, and no lockers suffered permanent injury. The Bronco Kens, however, are expected to make a full recovery.
Even aluminum on the ground. Look at all that aluminum.